Hello everyone, this is Jovial Developer here. I'm here to show you a project that I made in HTML and CSS. I made this project as a final project in 2016. And a reason why I'm showing this is because I want to show you another video from 2008. So yeah, a lot has changed for HTML and CSS in the past 3 years. And I just kind of wanted to show what I had for this final project. You'll be pretty surprised what you'll see in the next video. But for this, there's still some really neat logic and stuff to how this works together, even though it's HTML. So I'll show you the preview of my project here. It's called Fix-A-Tech. And basically I made this website for a company that helps other companies set up their software and their hardware for for starting their business. Say they moved into a new building, or they need to move out of a building and they need to move all their equipment. So this is a company that would do something like that. And it kind of looks a little bit like the Lowe's website, but I thought the blue and the white would look good to each other. I made this logo myself. So up here I've got these links up here in my nav bar, and two selections in the main page. And I got links to other pages on here. These 2 pages are forms for filling out help with your business. So like, say I read this, it says, "We offer a lot of services here at Fix-A-Tech, and helping you set up your network at home is one of them. In the message box below, fill out your name, current address, write a complete description of what you need help with. A simple fix will not require an estimate, and you may have your problem fixed today. For most tasks, we will take an estimate of what we need to do, so we won't overcharge and overhire people to help us. You do not need to be present during our task, but any information regarding security, privacy, schedule, etc. is always a help to know." If people have locked gates or anything like that. And so you got a space for filling out first name, last name, address. See, you can type something. So then I hit the send button. And it's not really supposed to send anything, because it's supposed to be hooked up to a server. But, so this is the home one, and then this is the business one. You have to fill out more information with your business because you have to add your address and your business address. And what's also really cool is I have a fact page filled out. What's the general cost of installation? And then like a more difficult task, under 90. I made up these rates. I'm sure they're a little bit more expensive. Do you fix viruses? And it says, no, we don't fix viruses. We just help set everything up. So I've got this facts page. And down here I have links also, but they're in blue for some reason. They should be in white. But this was another requirement of the assignment, was to have tables. And this just has descriptions of what they do, like their basic rates and what kind of what equipment they use to do their services. Also, we're supposed to put some external links. It's like another website or something. You know, how much will a server cost? You know, so you can look this up. I can go back. But anyways, that's my final project. At the time, I was pretty proud of it. I'm still happy with the appearance of it. You know, that it has this nice border around it, that I made the logo, and I like the spacing, except for this right here. I wish it could stay a line there, but anyway, so here's some of my logic, what I have for index. The first page. The teacher, he wrote a modernizer script for everyone in the class to use, because I did this for HTML class, and I really didn't make anything cool like this before the class. You know, I was just working with C++ and Java, and so it was really neat to be able to see your creations come to life at that time. Anyways, so here I have my style sheet for my styles for all my pages. Now I don't code with this much, I don't code with this big a text, but I'm just hoping you could kind of see it just a little bit. You know, see this right here, this is my div, or my containers. And the header, nav, and then the links inside the nav. And then this was setting up my tables on that information page. Okay, so for this index, on all of my links, I have, you know, pretty much all this just copied from the top of it, because that's how you have your pages linked together in your nav. You know, when the user clicks on this, you just go to that page. So it just works for all the other pages. And then in here, this is my div tag for affairs. So this is programming this box here. And then this right here is programming the text for this side. And it was kind of fun typing out all these different sayings that, you know, that you've heard from other businesses. So I've really tried to make it sound like a business, you know. So it's like, here at Fix-A-Tech, we operate around the IT industry to fix and install hardware for your IT needs. Need to install drive servers for your business? No problem. We want to upgrade your internet service? We're here to help. Solving these issues have been our practice for over 10 years. All of our associates have college degrees and technical experience to be sure that we can help with whatever you need help with. Of course, I didn't say that. It says, and technical experience to be sure that whatever you need, our help is worth your time. Yeah. So a little bit of speaking there, but you get the idea. I think it's really neat. Then in here I have my unordered list, and then my list. So that's how I'm able to have those bullet points. And down here I have my footer all fixed up. But as you can tell, yeah, see the exact same thing up in here on this page. This is the page for the information with all the tables. See for your table, you start with table, then you start with your table row, then you have your header of each table, then you go to the next rung in your table row, and you write your table description. You got to make sure you have a tag on each side. And then the styles for those are all fixed up in the fixing styles as I showed earlier. We'll see, this says a brief survey of the job we're about to perform. You get an idea what your project will be like. So down here, this will say the same thing. Hold on, let me just do a word wrap. Now you can see this. Yeah. Brief survey of the job we're about to perform. Idea what your project will be like. But anyways, I think this is really neat. I hope you've learned something today. I'll be sure to show you all lots of other projects that I've done in HTML, but also in other languages as well. But you will see this project, and you will think it's pretty nice, but the next project, of which I've completed this year, in 2008, around March or April, you will see lots of other features that I've been able to incorporate into my HTML work. Alright, well, guys, it was nice showing this to you. You guys should have a nice day, and I'll be sure to work on my my skills for video editing and for making these videos interesting. Alright, have a good day. Bye. This is Jovial Developer, signing off.